Bye. Gotta say bye. You just want to sneak a kiss.
Maybe what?
You just want to sneak a kiss. Want to lay down? No. You just want to sneak a kiss, or you want to lay down?
Feeding time. She really likes her dog food. She's got some unusual eating habits.
Great manners.
Yeah.
Come here, you. She's like, no.
Goose, go woo. Go woo. Oh, Buffins, what did you do? Did you not look after the puppet?
Así duerme alguien que no tiene ninguna preocupación en la vida, no tiene que ir a la escuela, no tiene que ir al colegio, no tiene que ir a la universidad, no tiene que trabajar, no tiene horarios. Lo único que le interesa es que cuando se despierte, ese plato de comida esté.
Are you proud of yourself, Cubby? Jesus. Dude. Bad dog, Cubby.
I use this ice machine. Sophie attacks the cat. So I'm gonna go up and just use the ice machine. She has no. Oh.
My mama always told me I could be whatever I wanted, so I became a problem.
What you doing? 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 What doing?
I have the craziest dog.
In the morning, you cannot go in the pool. Come on. You can't go in. It's 6:30. Bring your towel here. Come on. Come on.
Давай миску. Умница, умница. Молодец, молодец, молодец. Сама за собой убираешь, да? Умница.
I've been talking to the wives of factory hands. Detectives have been asking questions of nothing happens in that factory without you knowing about it.
He had some general anesthesia, and he's really, really, really high. He's not moving well, he's still wobbling. And this is how you know a golden retriever is high.
This way!
Go! Oh my god. There you go. You dumb as hell. Come on. Up. Up. You gotta use your arms, fool. Come on. Up. There you go. There you go.
Get down. Stop. Stop.
Camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Wait a minute, come here. Come here. Come here. Ready?
Shake. Pig. Shake.
No.
Interviewed Marianne Boskowski's family and friends. They learned that Tim and Marianne had recently been on a cruise, and all was not happy.
Marianne said, if things don't get better, by the time I get back, I can always leave, and I'm taking the children with me.
There was
Mila está comiendo galletas.
What in the world do you do with these dogs? I heard they were all about your personal space, but this is unreal. She has a whole seat with a blanket and a chew toy, and look where she's riding.
Kobe. What? Go.
You wagging your tail. Sunny.
Si te sabes portar bien, nada más pórtate bien.
No puedo.
Good job, Arnold. Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Yes, you did.
Unreal.
You're ridiculous.
Solamente en Cristo.
En Cristo, solamente en Él, la salvación se encuentra en Él, no hay otro nombre dado a los hombres.
Bozo, come here. You okay? Freya, come here, honey. Come on.
Dad, do not go in that water. You don't know what could be in there. It's dangerous. No! No! Here I come. I have to come save you. Why are you swimming away? I'm right here. I need to grab onto something. Rah! That didn't work. Dad, stop swimming away. I'm right here. Dad!
He's got the zooming. Oh my god. What the Dude. Are you okay?
Yeah!
Guys, Simba is actually in there. And she's just like, what you green. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, she's taking it. What a savage.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
Come on, Jaxie, let's go, baby!
Cannot believe my eyes. Tilly!
Run.
Swayze, could you not find anywhere else to lay? Huh, boy?
Good. 当小狗第一次照镜子，照的是哈哈镜。
你在干什么？纳尼？强哥？巴吉拉？爷爷啥？第几号？
What's wrong? What's the matter? What? What?
Get it up to here. Wanker.
You got the baby? Yeah. Yeah. This is my baby boy. And my cousin.
He's not your cousin, he's a puppy.
He's my baby boy cousin because he's so cute.
Oh my god, Norky, it's hilarious.
I said no.
Carried an extra 20 pounds on it.
What's up, Mr. Cool?
Now then, who has done this? Who did it? Which one of you? Which one?
Что такое?